So today, Bitcoin, BTC, what is happening in the market? That's the auto-generated sentence by ChatGPT. It told me end of video with this, which is actually really cool. So we can observe what has occurred with Bitcoin. We were here this morning, and then what has happened is a vector, a green vector breaking through the structure. So we bounced off the structure, we bounced off the Crypto-Quebec indicator, a bounce, and then bullish candlesticks, vectors. We pushed up. We reach here, another attempt to come back to the indicator, these pink reversal candlesticks. Thus, the price will go down. Why? First of all, we're talking about reaching $100,000. And secondly, when there are a lot of charts, we're going to go to the daily. You're going to understand what I mean. The indicator that you are currently seeing is the Crypto-Quebec indicator, all right? So nothing. 2 days ago, I said, when we buy at the bottom of the indicator, it's always good. The indicator is low, it's good. The indicator is low, it's good. We go down here, the indicator is low, it's good. The indicator here is low. Down is good. The indicator is low, it's good. So when we buy at the bottom of the Crypto-Quebec indicator, it's always good, okay? That's what I said. Now, what happened is we bounced because we were below the Crypto-Quebec indicator line. We bounced. This is a vector from the bottom. As you can see, it's a bit weak because the body is very small, but it's a vector. We entered, we pushed, and now, where do you think we got blocked by resistance? The Crypto-Quebec resistance. You see, the Crypto-Quebec indicator. We come here. So when we arrive here, we push. No vector to pass the middle of the channel. No vector here. So we retrace. I am always explaining to people that when we arrive at a resistance, we retrace. Now, what can happen, in my opinion, in the coming moments? We are here. We will retrace perhaps to 50% or around that. That will give us this wick from the bullish candlestick. And here, beyond the candlestick, it's always vectors. So